Hi guys, I have a problem. I keep dying when I'm farming. So I've been trying to trade all of this stuff for a gas, but no one is trading. Can you trade for me for this I'm gonna add with one lobster and one swan in Goa Garden and one mammoth and one venom. No, coming. And if I get a better price, I will take I'm sure I'm gonna add you and join me in our trading if you want. So, but I really need gas. That is all I want. No venom and one lobster and one in Goa Garden. I really need the gas because I need to burn without dying. It is really annoying when I die. So, is it good for you? Just communicate with me in the trade, okay? Bye.